Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be exploring what's new on Genadrop marketplace. And as you know, Genadrop supports multiple blockchains for minting and buying of NFTs on the marketplace. For example, we support Algorand, Polygon, Celo, Aurora, Near EVM, Solana. Although Solana and Near and also Celo are still coming soon, we are going to implement them very soon. So when you scroll down here you find the top collections, yeah, and also down you see the one of ones collections. Sorry, one of ones, not collection. Also, to view the all collection, you have to click on this button, view all collection, and these are the collection. So assuming you're looking for a particular blockchain, you want a collection for a particular blockchain. Let's say for instance Polygon, you use this filter and it filters down just your result to only collection that was minted to Polygon network. And for instance, if you want Aurora, you can click on it, and this is Aurora. These are the NFTs collection minted to Aurora. And also, the same thing goes for our Algorand. This is the only collection minted to Algorand network for now. Okay, this feature is also useful to change, the results, our result from high to low or from low to high. And also, here for the all chains, so you can simply use the search bar here, very useful. You can use it to look for any particular collection. As you can see, just narrow down the results is a search demo, and my result is demo red. Okay, that is that about the collections. Okay, let's move over to the one of ones. Okay, on the one of one, we'll have to click on view all, and this is what we have on our one of ones. Okay, the same goes. You can apply filter as well on this one of one, the same way we did for the collections. So, okay, now you can immediately click on this all change to bring up all the NFTs and Genadrop if you don't want to like go to top collection or anything like that. And also you can click on here to give you one for Polygon. Be like it's just there. Like also click on Aurora, takes you to all the NFTs in Aurora. So let's open up a particular collection. What collection am I looking at? Let's open up our grand collection. It's going to take time, a little bit time, sorry, and be good to go. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so we can scroll all the way down, or we can use our filter. It's there. Like, it's very useful. Let's go to attributes. Mm, let's go for top lead. Let's click on low. As you can see, these are the low top leads. And also can click for iris, search for all large iris, and it filters it down. Yeah, it filters it down. So we can simply click here to clear collection or clear a particular selection or filter we already applied. And then we can click through to apply as many filters as we want, to narrow our results according to whatever you might want. So yeah, that's how to use the filter on the collection page. Also, you can set your filter to high to low or low to high. Okay, let's click on this particular NFT. Let's see. Okay, on this NFT details, now we can click on buy now to buy this NFT at 2 algo, and this is the description. The father eye looking all over inhabitants of Asgard. That is for Odin. That's the description. And here you can see the minting transaction details. And also below here is the metadata, and you can find more of such NFTs or NFTs from this collection here. You can also click on view all to see all of the NFTs. Like these NFTs, I think I also wonder about it. Yeah, I bought it on our previous video. So yeah, it's sold. You can see right now it's sold. So yeah, that is about it. Okay. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video.